Hey everyone, this is Sean with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the Daniel Defense Daniel H9. First, press the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, pull the slide to the rear and use the slide stop to lock it in place. We're going to physically and visually inspect the chamber to make sure the firearm is empty. Drop the slide by using the slide stop. Now, point the firearm in a safe direction and press the trigger. In many respects, the Daniel H9 tears down like a Glock. There are pull-down, takedown levers on either side of the frame. You're going to pull down on those while pulling the slide to the rear. Then release the slide and push it forward to clear the frame. Now, push forward on the recoil assembly to remove it. Finally, push down on the top of the barrel and pull it backward to remove it from the slide. That's the takedown. Now let's put it back together. Start by inserting the barrel through the front of the slide, then pulling it to the rear to make sure that it seats in place. This part is particularly important because there's a ledge on the back of the recoil spring that needs to mate up with a small depression on the barrel lug. Insert the recoil spring, then compress it enough that it just sits in that shelf. It should line up and be basically the same parallel as the slide. Now, use the slots on the slide to line up with the tabs on the frame. Pull it all the way through, and the slide is back on the frame. Now, you point in a safe direction and function test. Very good. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the Daniel H9 by Daniel Defense. For more information on this firearm, head over to pewpewtactical.com.